So, the other day, I guess a couple of weeks ago, my youngest daughter came into town. She lives in Kansas City, and so she came home for Thanksgiving, and I got to thinking, we've been making some videos about cooking, and because we like to cook, um, we like to make our own food. That way, you really have more control of what's in it. But anyway, uh, and I got to thinking. Usually, when the girls come home, they ask us for certain things. Hey, we want to have some of Dad's spaghetti, or we want to have some chili, or Mom makes some cinnamon rolls or some chocolate gravy or something. And so this is a introduction, I guess, to a new playlist on the channel. I guess I'm gonna maybe call it something like uh, food staples or something. But anyway, what it'll be is a list of videos of foods that we generally go to. I think a lot of people. Well, I don't know. We're probably not that odd from everybody else. But you have a list of recipes or a list of things that you make, quite often. And then you might fold in a new thing every once in a while. You see a recipe and think I'm gonna try that. But there are things that you know how to make them. You don't have to follow a recipe. At one time you did, but you've done it so much you just make it, and those become staples. And you might have them, I don't know, once a week. I know for a while there, one time we were having spaghetti every Monday night. Now I'm talking about this was 15 years ago, but we'd have spaghetti every Monday night. And then I think the girls, for a while there, they got tired of eating chili. Uh, they like chili in the wintertime or in the fall when it's cool, but I like a chili dog any time of the year. So, I'm apt to make chili in the summer because chili dogs are good, and that's what you do the day after you eat chili. Just make chili dogs. But anyway, so it's a new playlist, food staples from our family. So passing on those things to the girls, they will be able to. They have the recipes. They've seen us cook them, but here they'll be able to watch it and then sort of have that as long as YouTube lasts. But passing things on, that's what works for me mostly.